Good morning. So we've gotten the engine back from the mechanics now, and it's had all of its head studs replaced professionally. I got the work done externally because I wasn't really confident in doing it myself, and I wanted to just make sure that it was all going to be done properly the first time. So now that it's all done and all been taken care of, we've brought it back here to the workshop, and we're going to put everything back together today. So yeah, hopefully it all goes well. And I was also given a new head too, so we're going to have to fix that up a little bit, so stay tuned.
Huh, shit. That's wild. Oh, wow. That's wild.
Ooh. So I've got some bad news. Just when I removed that bottom panel, I could see a hell of a lot of material that shouldn't be there. And I believe that's all from the new threads that were put in with the studs. And basically all of the excess old material has been pushed into the motor, which is definitely not ideal when you're trying to rebuild a motor that's going to last a long time. So we're going to have to pull apart the entire engine now, which is not what I wanted to do, but it's all part of the adventure, I guess. So yeah, stay tuned and we'll just keep on cracking with it.
Nice.
Right,
So
the
there's
full
the-
extent. Oh my god. We've just finished the job that I really didn't want to do in this project, which was to separate the entire block. And what it's revealed is that there's metal shavings all throughout the block. So definitely a very, very good idea to take that apart. And basically I can be assured that all these shavings are not from previous wear. It's all just been from the work that was done to the threads. So fortunately we can clean this all up, hopefully put it back together, and then just continue fitting the gaskets as we were supposed to be doing today.
This way?
Yep.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
And then
That's what you're saying?
that one.
Yep. Okay.
So we're back again with the engine. I gave up yesterday because it was too exhausting. We almost got it together after cleaning out all of the metal shavings inside, but it's not quite there. So carrying on with where we were yesterday, we're going to try and pull it apart again to then get a better mating surface.
so close, doesn't it? Just hold it from here.
Yeah, that's what I was doing. Got it. Okay.
I don't know if we'll give it full auger doggers, but there should be a...
I gave it medium auger doggers and then it made damaging. Sorry.
Yeah, okay.
I'm going to trust them because it wasn't leaking from any of these holes.
And it obviously was for them before.
They thought,
Otherwise they wouldn't have done it.
Yeah, it's a very good point, isn't it?
Nice. I'd love to buy somewhere first and rent it out to someone else, and then rent somewhere else in the city. I'd probably go save up a little bit more before that happens. Well, it's also the same. I was thinking about that with respect to just air cooled in general, right? Like water cool means you can have more power and be more efficient, but it's more complicated, isn't it? Cool. Oh, there's a bit of oil leak.
So thank you for watching if you've stayed tuned until the end. Basically we are exactly where we were yesterday now, but we have no metal inside the engine anymore, which is really, really good. There's a lot more work to do. I've got 1 week to get this engine back in the car. So yeah, it's gonna be a bit of a push, but ideally with some new parts and a few other things, we should be able to get it back together in time. So stay tuned.